Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the eTeach Consult Diaries. Today we want to look at how to convert numbers to words in Excel using formulas. So here we have our input of currency in cedis and we have our output in words. So what we have done is that we have created this formula, or we have joined this formulas: choose, left, text, if, end function, and the mid to really create this. So you see that the moment we input the numbers, example 900 Ghana cedis, automatically the output comes out in words. If we input 901, we get the output, that's 901,901 cedis. So this automatically gives us the numbers that we input in words, and this is really helpful, and I give credit to one Mr. Petty.
If you want more of these Excel videos, please click on the big red subscribe button below the videos to subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification icon bell to get notified when new videos are published.
So you can even move on and even enter in millions, and see it gives you 9 million. See this, and that is the formula for this particular assignment. So that is the formula, as you can see here. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on eTeach Consult. Bye bye.